Hello guys, welcome to TechUsain. In the previous lecture, we saw about some basic concepts of JavaScript and Node.js. I hope you understand the course. If you like the course, please like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to see about environment variables. So what is environment variables? Environmental variables are used to store the variables such as the connection strings for the database, or you can use the path to the APIs. And there are two types of environmental variables. One is for the production and the other is for development. Today I'm going to show you about the development. The production will be seen later. So let's begin. I'm going to show you how to create the environmental variable. First, create a file in the file folder named .env. Please note that this file doesn't have any other name. It just have the .env extension and you don't need to give the name. Now I'm going to create the connection string variable. It will be connection string equal to, I'm going to copy the value, copy from here, mangoes.connect. I'm going to copy this value and paste it in the .env file, connection string equal to the value. So I have stored the value in the connection string variable. Now we have to call that variable in the code. So to do that, we have to install a package named .env. So to do that, go to the terminal and type npm install .env. So please wait for the installation to finish. Okay, now we need to go to the index.js file and we have to import the .env. To do so, type require .env/config. Now the .env has been imported. Now we can use it in the code. So go to the mongoose.connect and we can call this using the process.env dot and the variable name connection underscore string. So let's check, and the variable name is same. Now we have to check it whether it's working properly. So npm start and wait for the output. Now we can see listening on port 3000 and we need the DBS connected message to check whether it's working properly, and we got this message. So now the environmental variables are working. Now I'm going to check it. I'm going to show you for how to use it for the API URL path. Our API URL path will be like http :// localhost 3000 / API. I forgot about the double slash to make it to command the path /v1/ it will be a product. So product. Now I'm going to store this API URL in the environmental variables. So I'm going to copy the path API/v1/product and go to the environment and I'm going to type API URL variable API underscore URLs equal to the path API/v1. Now I'm going to use that variable here. So I can use in other way that I can assign this to a constant variable constant, and I can use it here. To do that, const API URL equal to process.env.api underscore URL. Now copy that const and put it here, API URL plus, I'm going to use the product keyword here in the path. So API/v1/product, and that's it. Now you can call this URL localhost 3000 /API/v1/product and you will get the result. If you like the course, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.